Can you turn this story into an equation? Today, Princess Eva made 12 delicious cookies. She kept 3 cookies for herself, and she gave all the leftover cookies to Rosie. So now we see the first unknown in the story. We can call this unknown number X, so we can build the relationship. 12 tall cookies equals X plus 3 remaining cookies. To find X, we subtract 3 from both sides. X equals 9, so Rosie received 9 cookies. Let's continue the story. Out of the 9 cookies, 6 were given to Boo Boo. The cookies that are left over are what we want to find next, so we can call this new unknown X again. So the equation is X equals 9 minus 6, which gives us X equals 3 cookies, and we're done! We've finished the calculations! Great job! You solved another magic equation! Remember to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next adventure with Princess Eva!